The Beginner's Guide to Using Email Marketing. Marketing is an essential component of business, but not every company takes advantage of every tool available to them. Email marketing is a great way to increase profits. Here is some advice on how you can excel at email marketing so you can get started today. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer, this way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. Always seek permission before sending marketing emails to potential customers. Sending unsolicited emails will quickly have you labeled a spammer. Getting permission to send your messages doesn't have to be hard. Offer something valuable to your customers in exchange for the ability to email them, such as a discount, coupon, or other sign-up incentive. Consider using a template that allows for each recipient to receive a personalized message in the greeting. People respond more favorably to emails that address them personally, and are less likely to reject the message. This personalization is simple to accomplish, and will grow a greater relationship with your customers. Make sure to email only people you know. Sending emails to people who didn't request them is called spamming. This will have them thinking if they know who you are or even care about what you are selling. This may cause them to simply delete your email, which is just a waste of your time. The easier it is to subscribe to your email newsletter, the more subscribers you will have. If you have a physical store, ask your customers for their email address when they make a purchase. If you sell on a website, ask them for their address when they are ready to check out. It is easy to set up your email marketing plan. The secret to increasing your profits is to make personal connections and relationships with potential customers. If you use the ideas listed above, you will see an increase in your sales. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.